Is he riding that low? Hold on. I gotta inspect. Real risk taker, man. Don't let this thing fool you guys. You thought I was gonna walk away? Come on. This is nuts. Manual, of course. Look at that paintwork up top. That's paint, man. No wrap. This is some wonderful work.
Here.
Look at the exhaust tip on this thing.
A couple of my buddies in Seattle were like, was that your car?
Wow.
I'm like, what are you
Unbelievable. And it's literally just on the ground. Literally on the ground.
Yeah, that was probably me. That's a lot.
Wow. Beautiful work. On air ride. Yes, sir. Thank you. You as well. Beautiful ride. Okay. I like the color. That's what matters, you know? There you go. I'm with you. 6 feet guy too. Wonderful. Yeah, that's nice.
Also, learn to drive stick. Seriously.
I got to. Honestly, I got to. Yeah, that's on my to-do list.
I taught back 50 years ago.
Yes.
Okay, 50 years ago, I taught one of my sister's girlfriends how to drive stick in the parking lot of the high school.
Okay.
Her boyfriend comes out. He was a neighbor, so
Yes.
he knew me. He knew I was just, you know, that I could drive stick from the time I was 13.
Yeah, there you go.
So she's driving around. She drives up there. Who taught me? What happened? He said, Nadine's brother taught me how to drive. He started laughing. Yeah.
Okay.
For sure.
So, you know, in about 5-6 years, we're like, oh, you can't touch this.
See, the cool thing about these now, it's the same technology as power steering and power brakes. It's a
Yes.
power clutch. It's a hydraulic.
Okay.
So you don't have to wrestle it.
Yes.
Put it in and ease it out.
Smooth.
How old's your station?
Me? Like the car that I got.
No, your station. Aren't you a blogger?
Oh, yes. I got you.
What's your name on the blogs, bro?
Yeah, I've been doing it for a bit of time. Slowly building. I want to say,
It's a business.
You have
Yes.
a YouTube channel also?
yeah.
What's your YouTube channel's name?
Jordan Anatole. Yes, I've been
Okay.
doing it about maybe 4 or 5 years. Just going out to events, seeing what I can film and stuff. But yeah, I love coming out here and seeing these cars. You know, you meet good people too, and that's what it's all
Hobby
about.
is a wonderful thing.
I agree. I totally agree. One thing I'll leave you guys with too. I especially like this car because I have an old school 5 Series BMW.
Okay.
And it's on air ride too.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay. All
My
right.
wagon.
I resonate with it, you know?
Only people who are on
My
air
63 Ford
understand.
wagon.
That's right, you know.
has been here. And it has bags. My 60 Chevy is a coupe. Instead of green, the roof is black, and instead of white, the car is red.
Okay.
And you probably have seen it. It's got a manual transmission, and it's got the 409.
Beautiful.
Although 409 didn't go into the Chevy.
Okay. Man, that's a beautiful ride then. For sure.
My screensaver is my 60 Chevy.
That's the best.
Yeah.
If your car is a screensaver, you know you're doing it right. For sure.
Blessings to you both.
That's right. Thank you. My pleasure.
Hollywood has arrived.
Yes, Hollywood has arrived. Have a good one. That's amazing, guys. You guys see, like, being out here, it just puts a smile on your face. You meet some real good people, welcoming people with some real nice rides, man. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. So clean. Chopping. Check out the wooden classics, guys. Wow. Man, this place is unreal. Every time we come here, just something that you see absolutely blows your mind. Is he riding that low? Hold on. I gotta inspect, but first. Real nice ride, clean. Yeah, he's riding that low. I don't know if he's on air or if that's coils, man. Truthfully, to me, it's looking like coils. Real risk taker, man. Real quick, I can't help but say, you guys remember that trailer last time? And the car that fell underneath that trailer? Yeah. Crazy. Crazy. Tati remembers.
I'm over here by the woods. Coming through the woods.